So what came into the mail today is the Qwerkywriter Anniversary Edition. And I backed it on Kickstarter recently and it delivered. I mean, I wasn't really doubting that deliver, but oh, check out the unboxing. I've been keeping my eye on this keyboard for the longest time, you know, because it's quite pricey honestly. But on Kickstarter, it's like a few 20-30% off. So it was pretty worth to get it, although I would have preferred it in white with, you know, the gold rims on the keycaps. But oh, check that out. Yeah, if you're really a fan of like retro stuff, you know, literary stuff, you know, old school stuff, this is really the thing to get, you know, with all the, even that, you know, the dial for the, how the old school typewriters are like. Really worth it, I feel. Probably one of the best Kickstarter purchases that I've ever gotten.